Muzata.
Muzata CK01 cable railing kit is a popular and cost-effective solution for deck railing. It is easy to install with wide adjustable range. Here is all the parts for one pack. Firstly, you need a Muzata hydraulic crimper, which is designed for swagging stainless fittings. It comes with a pair of dies made of hardened alloy steel. For your information, most hydraulic crimpers on market are designed for copper and aluminum. The body and dies might break if you use them for stainless steel. And you also need a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. And some stainless steel cable, which is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. You could always find the products in this video on Amazon. Just search Muzata and the model number in Amazon searching box. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, we need to divide the height of post into equal distance and mark with a pencil. Then start with the turnbuckle side. Press turnbuckle into the gap of thimble and put it into eye strap before installing them. Thread the cable into ferrule, then thimble, pull to tighten the cable. Crimp the ferrule with a hydraulic or a hand crimper tool. Crimp twice to make sure it is firm enough and the cable won't loose. Cut the wire rope with a cable cutter after measuring the length between two posts. Install the other side with pretty much the same steps. Another choice for crimping ferrule is Muzata hand crimper tool. It is much faster if you do a lot of ferrule crimping jobs. However, hydraulic crimper is more widely used, especially for stainless steel fittings. The last step, tighten the cable by rotating turnbuckle. And fasten turnbuckle with the two nuts. Then it is done. It is easy to install them all by yourself without being a pro. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.